Good morning, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Take a look at this photo of Mount Washington. 171 mile per hour wind gusts atop Mount Washington sets new record for February. Mount Washington experienced wind as powerful as Category 5 hurricane. A new record for the month of February was set Monday when meteorologists atop New England's highest peak observed a wind gust of 171 miles per hour. The peak wind gust surpassed the previous February wind record of 166 miles per hour set in 1972. We've now actually hit a peak gust of 171 miles per hour. We might not be done actually yet either. We could potentially see gusts in that realm at least for a good portion of the night here. Mount Washington Observatory meteorologist Tom Padham told News 9. It was also the strongest wind recorded in any month since 1985. My coffee mug was actually rattling on the table from the vibration of the building here. The windows were kind of flexing back and forth from pressure changes with the wind, Padham said. This comes on a day when the winds at the summit have been sustained above 100 miles per hour since 4 a.m., with temperatures hovering around 0 degrees, and the wind chill has dipped to as low as 50 degrees below zero. Equal to a Category 5 hurricane that is raging outside right now. So, again, incredible, Padham said. Wind gusts a fraction of that toppled trees across New Hampshire, taking down power lines and closing streets until utility crews could clear the roads. Weather observance at the Mount Washington Observatory, which sits nearly 6,300 feet above sea level, head outside once an hour, no matter the weather conditions, to knock ice off the instruments and collect data. The winds are no danger to the people working on the summit. The observatory is rated to handle wind gusts up to 300 miles per hour. The strongest record wind gust on Mount Washington was a 231 mile per hour gust in 1934. And that does it for my morning news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here later on today for another news report. Goodbye, everyone.